Large areas of concrete floor. The most feared thing is not the appearance of cracks. The cracks are where they shouldn't be. Many people believe that cracking concrete is a sign of poor quality. It's not. Concrete shrinks during both solidification and drying. Cracking is almost inevitable. The real problem is that if crack control is not done in advance, cracks can appear randomly. Some cracks to the left, some cracks to the right. Some cracks are in the most dangerous positions. Not only does it affect the overall appearance, later repair and maintenance will also increase a lot of costs. This is the PVC floor crack induction strip we produce. It's not keeping the concrete from cracking. I want them to be where they're designed to be. So the way it works is, it's mounted on the bottom of a concrete slab. Unique inverted V-shaped structure will form a preset area of stress concentration. As the concrete contracts, cracks will preferentially follow the position of the induction strips, formed from bottom to top, rather than randomly cracking elsewhere on the floor. It is important to note that it requires a surface use with saw seam or crack control strips. Achieve better crack control together. Now let's simulate what happens when the inducer strip and the saw seam don't align. It was very simple. Before pouring concrete, just fix the induction strip to the base layer or plastic film. Follow up with steel bars, transmission rods, and surface sawing construction. A complete crack control system can be formed. The product adopts PVC continuous extrusion molding, dimensional stability, corrosion resistance, complete specifications. Length, height, wall thickness can be customized according to customer projects. Small things can solve your big problems. If you are looking for a ground crack inducer or other PVC extrusion profiles, please send us the drawings. Source factory, support to map customization, mass production.